Welcome to Under the Microscope. This series is brought to you by the Real Scientists Nano team. Our goal is to provide a platform where scientists can communicate their work and interact with the public. With that in mind, every week we introduce you to a scientist working in the field of materials and nanoscience. Hi everyone, today we have with us Charlie Wand, who is a postdoctoral researcher at the University of Manchester. Hi Charlie, how are you doing?
Hi, I'm very well, thanks.
Wonderful. Let's start with understanding your research. So could you explain your research to us in super simple words?
So I use computer simulations to investigate soft materials. So this ranges from anything from shampoos, polymers, so packaging, and liquid crystals, so displays and telephone displays and things, for example.
That sounds so fascinating. This is wonderful. Awesome. So we expect a fun-packed week when you're curating the Real Scientist Nano account. So what can the followers expect in the week that you will curate?
So a bit about what is soft matter, because it's not something you tend to hear about unless you know what it is.
Right.
And then I'm going to focus on a couple of my favorite systems, so liquid crystals, looking at what they are, what we can use them for, how we can model them. There's two main types of liquid crystals, so I'm going to focus on them separately.
Right.
And then a bit about some of the simulation methods I use. So I'm going to talk a bit about experimental stuff with the actual science, but I'm also going to talk about what I do using simulations as well.
Okay. So it sounds like a lot of information, a lot of interesting information. I honestly didn't know there are two different types of liquid crystals. Interesting. Wonderful. Thank you very much, Charlie, and we look forward to your time on the Real Scientist Nano Twitter account.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for listening. To know more about us, please visit our website, realscientistsnano.org, and follow us on Twitter at realsci_nano.